across to our panelists. We have lawyers today so that they can explain to us what can be expected today at 1 p.m. as the Supreme Court takes up special leave petitions. Deshratam Nigam is joining us, as well as Aashutoshsrivastava. Deshratam Nigam, if I can come to you first, you must explain to us. Yesterday, the Supreme Court has said, let the High Court decide on this matter. If we accept your plea, which was to Kapil Sibbal's plea yesterday, they said the High Court will then stop hearing this entire case. High Court has said it's just a matter of a couple of days. Make sure that you don't turn up in religious dressings, and we are going to expedite the hearing as much as we can. Will the Supreme Court, or is the Supreme Court likely to step in today after what it said yesterday?
Swati, in fact, if you look at the legal position, once an interim relief is
denied, a person has a right to approach a Supreme Court. And that is the established position. Therefore, they can, as a matter of right, approach Supreme Court once an interim relief has been denied to them. The High Court has denied them the interim relief for 2-3 days. However, since it's only 2-3 days, I have my doubts that the Supreme Court will intervene. Now, secondly, the issue on merits. Now, 3 important aspects are considered while an interim relief is given. One is a prima facie case, an irreparable loss and injury to the party who's claiming interim relief, and balance of convenience. Balance of convenience is something where, looking at the bundle of facts, it should be favorable to the petitioners. Now, all this comes in when you have established a legal right. Here in this case, a legal right is being claimed. It has not been given by way of a law which is being infringed by the state. Here, a legal right which is being claimed as a fundamental right is only a claim. Nowhere it has been given in any law. Therefore, to say that you have a prima facie case for protecting your legal right, for first requirement is that it has to be established legal right. Here it is only merely a claim. No law gives them a right as of now. So that is their entire petition, that this is my fundamental right. Nowhere in law it says it is their fundamental right. So it is merely a claim as of now.
The right to religion is something that they have been citing.
Yes. And secondly, what they are saying is the fact that it is an essential part of religious practices of Islam.
Right.
Which the court will ultimately go into. In my opinion, it is not. However, the court will go into. Is it causing irreparable loss and damage? No, because online mode is available to them. That alternative thing is available to them, so no damage can be caused to them.
And also, if it's intrinsic or not, there have been orders coming in from high courts showing in both the favors. There have been differing orders which have been coming in. And Aashutoshsrivastava, there are many who are saying, which is perhaps the reason why the Supreme Court is required to step in, because multiple verdicts from the High Court, Supreme Court, are going to be looking into very seminal and important issues, those of what is intrinsic to a certain religion or not. Do you think then the Supreme Court may just be stepping in because they are claiming, and this is something that very categorically Deshratam Nigam has said, that they do not have the right to religion in this case, it does not pertain to it, but they are claiming that this is a fundamental right?
Yes, actually now since the interim order has been challenged and it is not a final order by the High Court, now it depends on the Supreme Court whether to interfere in the interim order or not. However, as rightly said, that this is not established, the rights have not yet been established, and it is still under process to be decided by the Honorable Karnataka High Court. There are a lot of interpretations which are required to be done. And once the claims are finalized by the court, then only it can be challenged by the aggrieved party. As of now, I feel the Supreme Court, however it depends, I will not comment much on that, but I don't think for any interim relief, which has been rejected, the interim relief has been claimed under Order 39, Rule 1 of CPC. And as rightly said, that the balance of convenience and irreparable loss and prima facie case, all these things are to be ascertained by the Supreme Court, whether these all lie in favor of the petitioners. If the Supreme Court is of the view that it doesn't go in favor of the petitioners at present situation, since the matter is yet to be decided. The rights have not yet been established by the law or by the court. It is still under interpretation of law.
Okay, that's very important. That's very important.
Yes.
So will the Supreme Court then step in or not? Remember, it is going to be coming up and it will be mentioned before the Supreme Court at 10:30 a.m. is what Harish Nair, our legal editor, is saying. Deshratam Nigam, thank you so much for joining us with your perspective, as well as Aashutoshsrivastava. With that, we're going to be slipping into a short break. This continues to be the big story here on Times Now, because